Hello everybody and welcome to this new video on Sketchup, the free version of Sketchup with Sketchup for web. And in this video we are going to see how you can work with materials. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course Sketchup is available. So if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with the course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn. Second link on the description, this is a website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software, have basics of this software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is like an online school. You can pick a course and learn any graphic software. So let's see how to work with the material. The first thing that I'm going to do, it is just to create a rectangle here. And I will just create a rectangle with maybe, I can type 6 meters, comma, and 4 meters, just like that. After that, I will create an extrusion. I will select the push-pull tools and I will create an extrusion, maybe 2 meters, so I can type 2 meters on the bottom right corners. And to add the materials, you can have access to the materials feature just here. When you click on this area, on these materials features, first you have material in use. All these materials correspond to what? Correspond to, for example, the axis color or the characters that we have with different color. So this is why we have material in use, even if we don't have anything on our object or faces. If you just go on this area, you have these options. First, you can click on bronze here, and you can have access to a library of materials. You have also a possibility to click here to be redirected directly to the 3D warehouse, and you can find some materials on this area as well. So you have different materials that can be proposed. So two options, the library of materials here, and this option you can also download more material in the 3D warehouse. You need also to understand that when you work with a free version, so it means SketchUp for web here, it's not possible to resize the material. You won't have the possibility to resize the material, to adjust the material properly. You can just place the material or place a color. You can find different type of categorize here. If you just want to add a basic color, you can go on basic color here. Let's take, for example, the red. And when you don't have any group or anything like this, you can just place a color on a face, just like that. And you can just select any color and place any color on the face. Let's just continue, maybe this one, or maybe I can place, for example, this one here, or I can place this one just like that. So you can place just simple colors directly on the faces. I will select the rectangle tool just here, and I will go a little bit on the right, and here we are going to create another element, maybe more on this direction. I will type something like 14 meter, comma, and I will type 10 meter, just like that, to create something like this. Then I will put a small extrusion, so I will click here, and I will extrude with just 20 centimeter. After that, I will select the line tools. And with the line tools, maybe I can put something like a middle point here to here. Maybe another middle point here to here. Maybe another middle point from here to here as well, just like that. And I will create small extrusion. And I click on the push pull and I will pull just like this, maybe 1 meter for this one. Maybe this one 60 centimeter, and maybe this one 40 centimeter. So I will erase also this small element I don't want, and maybe this small element just here. So if you want to add the materials, so you go on the right and you have this library. If, for example, I want to put grass here, I go in landscaping, fencing, and vegetation, and I have something like, for example, some grass here. Maybe I can select this one, and I can put this one here, just like that. So this is a possibility. But if you put here, as you can see, the grace will appear on all this area. So this is not what you want to do. You just create a line, maybe here to close if you want the grace also here, for example. and you can just close, yes, on this area as well. And you can close like this. And now if you click on the grace tool, you can apply some grace also on this area. If I want to create something like a path, I can maybe create something here, a line, maybe another line on these directions. And I will also maybe switch here with two lines. Just need to stay on the right axis and I can snap just like this. Oops, let's turn a little bit on these directions on edge. And I can switch for another type of material. If I want to have some rocks like this one, I can dragging and apply, for example, this one here. If you have multiple type of options. If you want to add something like wood, you can find wood here. And you have different type of wood. For example, if I click on this one, as you can see, I can apply some wood material, maybe here and here. But as you can see, you cannot scale. So it is also something important to understand. So I can close and I cannot scale because I'm using the free version. But already for the free version and for SketchUp for web, you have multiple type of options. You can find also some stone, you can find also some tile. So the library is well furnished. If, for example, you want to add tiles, I can click on this one and I will do something like this. I can also one more time maybe close here. After, it depends really about what we want to do. I can also close here in this type of example, and I will continue with the same materials and I will place maybe here and here. And let's just try another one. So as I explained, you have a lot of categories. It can be some carpet fabrics as well, glass and mirror. So you have different type of options. If I just come back here, I can come back on stone and I will select maybe this one and I will place this one just here, here, and maybe just here. So this is how you can apply materials. The last point that I wanted to show you, if you have a group, for example, you select all the elements here, you go right click and you create a group. Because you have a group, if you apply any materials, just like this, as you can see, it's not going to work properly because I have already color. So I need to double click inside my group and, for example, to replace each face with the material properly. But if I didn't have any things at the beginning, double click to go outside. If, for example, didn't have anything, so it means you create a rectangle like this, you extrude just on this area. And then I'm going to convert this one. So I'm going to dragging and moving, and I will go right click here and I will make a group. So if on your group, you don't have any, you didn't apply anything yet, you can go on the right, you can select something here. What I'm going to select, I will go on the right. Let's select, for example, something like a tile. I will select maybe this one. And we have a group. So if I select all my group just here, I click here, it's going to apply on all the group for a simple reason that I didn't have anything yet. So this is how we can add materials with the free version of SketchUp, SketchUp for web. So you have different categories, you can take a look about all the categories that you have. The last important point, I'm going to go here. You can go on this area. And when you go on this area, you will find all the material in use. So all the material here are the materials that I'm using on this area and also for the character, for the axis. So you can recuperate you have unused material here. So if I select unused material, you have the possibility to click here and to just remove the unused materials. That's it. And you can reuse one of the materials that you used before just here. So we are going to stop here for this video. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channels. First link on the description, the complete course SketchUp is available. So if you want to learn this software, starting from scratch with the course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. We see all the features of this free version of SketchUp, all the tools I explain step by step. All the features are on the right, I explain step by step. Different trainings also with different creation of 3D models as well in the training course. Second link on the description, the website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software in this YouTube channel, a basic of this software. And second link on the description, it is like online school. You can pick a course and learn any graphic software. For the next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.